Venus and Dharnika. Our friends are eagerly waiting to have a debate without any delay.
தெரியல வா அங்கிட்டு போலாம்.
Program. Let's start with Venus. Social media is used for gaining information. Here I am talking about students.
ஏய் யா லைவ் தான் பாத்துக்கோ.
Go to YouTube, we will get hundreds of videos for our friends. Yes, of course, we can see any videos for any time. In WhatsApp, we are seeing lots of social media can be used by all the people. Some people by using illegally and scamming people by using fake links. Yes, this is also true. Certain good. What is your next point? Everyone to explore ourselves to others, showing creativity. Example, Snapchat, B612, etc. Jessica, sorry to interact with you. Snapchat, how it is work? By using the Snapchat with makeup or without makeup, they will be fat. If there is a Snapchat, the curve will become a gray. Time management is important for students, but nowadays people are using Instagram to watch reels. They are addicted to the reels and try to create own reels. That's good one. So, good. What is your next point? That is you. The connect the people. If I am India, my family is US. We will meet at America using the social media. As agri-technology goes through all over the world. Now finally, Dharnika, it's your turn. Most of the time, we are spending with mobile phone, laptop, computer, so we are suffer from obesity, neck pain, etc. This is my opinion about social media. Everybody present their opinion neatly. The quick problem. Social media include the apps like Facebook, WhatsApp, Twitter, Snapchat, etc. All these apps have their unique purpose. Now depends upon the social media. It depends upon the people. Finally, in the sixth happiness, pay less attention to yourself, more attention to yourself. Thank you. Thank you.
Merin. Hey, இங்கிட்டு வா. இங்கிட்டு வந்து திட்டு.
Let us remember while technology offers immense benefits, it's our responsibility to use it wisely. The kids have demonstrated this through their wonderful performance. Thank you, kids.
அதே ரூல்ஸ் அங்க போனோம். அந்த டீச்சர்லாம் வந்து பழகிட்டு
என்ன உடனே இது சொல்றீங்க வீடியோ